Welcome to Miss Carla's classroom. Our sound today is There are lots of letters that make an sound, but today it is an E and an R that we are looking at. E and R together say You can practice saying it. Can you hear the sound in summer? Summer. What animal is this? Tiger, which has lots of stripes. We use a hammer to build things. Hammer. Can you climb up on the ladder? Ladder. Do you like to eat a burger? Can you hear the two sounds in that word? Different letters, same sound. Make sure you wash all the germs off your hand. Germs. Here is a beautiful flower. Flower. There are so many words with an sound. Can you think of any more? Maybe those pictures will help you. You must be getting so good at writing your letters now. Let's write the sound. Around the egg, down to the pan. Down the robot and up over his arm. Now it's your turn to write. Around the egg, down to the pan for the letter E. Down the robot and up over his arm for the letter R. To practice writing the sound, can you try and write these three words? Baker. The baker made some bread for his shop. Baker. Sister. My sister is older than me. Sister. And your challenge word is flower. They bought a flower for their friend. Flower. Baker, sister, flower. I can't wait to see how you go with those words. Get ready to check the answers to those words. Baker, baker. Sister, sister. Flower, flower. I'm sure you did an amazing job. Well done. Get ready to practice all of our Phase 3 phonics sounds. Ow, I, or, e, oi, your, a, ear, and o, qu, sh, o, z, ch. And this was the sound from today. An E and an R says If you have watched all of my videos, then that was your very last Phase 3 phonics sound. Well done. I'll see you next time. Bye.